I am depressed. When was the last time you heard somebody say this thing to you? Or did you ever say it to anybody ever? No. Because nobody is ready to accept this thing that how much we all are depressed, especially at this time. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Life. I think you all have come to know what we are going to discuss today. We are definitely going to discuss the topic of depression today. So before we move on to the topic, I want to tell you a story, a very meaningful and realistic story. So what is that story? That is that one lady, she lost her newly born child. Means her newly born child died soon after the birth. Now that lady, that girl, she got so shocked कि how is it possible? Means my only child has died. So she went to Gautam Buddha, Lord Gautam Buddha, and she told him about her problem. She said that in any case, I want you to revive my child. Means you will have to make my child alive again. So Gautam Buddha smiled. He said, okay, no problem. Very simple solution is there. I will again revive your child. Only you have to do one thing. You go to the houses of all the people and you simply bring me some mustard seeds from somebody's house. And the girl got very happy that it was very easy and she would easily get it from anybody. But Gautam Buddha added, he said, but the condition is that you will have to bring those seeds only from that house where nobody has ever died or where nobody has ever suffered from any ailment. So now that girl, still she didn't understand anything. She went. She started going door to door asking for mustard seeds. But before that, she would ask at every place, did anybody die in your house? Did anybody fall ill in your house? So obviously, everybody answered in yes, because there is not a single house, there is not a single person who has never suffered any ailment or death. Now she went on moving so many days from place to place, but she couldn't get mustard seeds from any of the houses. Then she realized her mistake, that how selfish did I get? I became so selfish that only to lessen my pain, only to bring some happiness in my life, I am going to the people and I am reminding them of their loved ones' death and their ailments. So she realized the fact that there is nobody in this world who has not faced death or ailment or problems. So now we come to our point. If we are depressed with our life, if we think that nothing is working in our favor, if we think we have become completely hopeless, then we should learn something from that story. Are we alone in this world who are suffering? No, everybody is suffering. If we are born on this earth, we have to suffer. Here I remember one teacher of ours, means whenever any batch got over, when we were in our post-graduation, he wrote with his autograph to all the students, go and suffer. We asked him, sir, what is this? Why are you writing this go and suffer? Suffer means dukh jhelo. So he said, if I write go and enjoy, go and live your life happily, this and that, is that possible? No, it is not possible. You will suffer and then you will learn. So I still remember his words. And now we come to know that suffering is a part of our life. So, but that doesn't mean that we should get depressed, that we should try to end our life. So here a big message for everybody, those who are suffering with depression. Mild depression is there in everybody. But when you find that this depression is getting over your mind, it is just overpowering your thoughts, you should try to seek help. And nobody else can help you in this matter. Only you can help yourself. How can you help? You can help yourself by sharing your problem with somebody. Don't keep your negative emotions, your negative thoughts inside your mind. Do share them with somebody, with your parents, with your siblings, with your family, because they have unconditional love for you. They are the people who will even risk their own life to save your life. But if you will not share with anybody, if you will go on having these negative things in your mind, then definitely your mind will become a storehouse of negative feelings and emotions, and then suddenly there will be an outburst. So if you want to avoid that outburst of negativity in your mind, do share with somebody. Do tell somebody what are you going through. So there are so many people who do not share their problems with anybody, and then they take the drastic step of even ending their life. So I think that is a crime. That is just destroying the plan of God. God has sent you on this earth with some purpose. If you are born on this earth, definitely there is some purpose. You have no right to take your life away. So do care about all these things and try to share your problems with somebody. Definitely you will get help. But if you think that there's nobody in the entire world who can help you, you are definitely wrong. Just think, who can help you? Who can trust you? And one more thing, if ever any of your friends, anybody comes to you for help, you should not laugh at those people that he is mad, this and that. We should always try to pay attention to such people, and we should try to help them. So that is the only way to cure this thing called depression. Only sharing, right? And if you will share it with others, definitely you will receive their love, you will receive their trust and all. So if you will not share, then you may suffer from more serious problems. So try this thing, and definitely I think it will help you. So do share this video with others also, because you never know who may get help from you. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe to the channel if you are